adorable.
Try me mode right there, so we're gonna switch it all the way over. Okay.
Now it's happy.
It's squishy.
Look.
It's like, what? Can it actually, here, hold your finger out. Let's see if it will hold onto your finger. And can it dangle upside down? Let's see. Oh.
She's red. That means she doesn't like it. Daddy,
Oh, she doesn't? Oh.
Yeah, she's angry.
Oh dear, how do we make her happy? What?
I'm hitting it.
It's actually chirping.
Try sticking her on the wall. Well, it has to be like on a smooth
What?
surface.
It's sucking your finger.
This is so cute. Wait, I need to find some. Mama,
What?
Daddy, she gets scared when you yell.
Okay, sorry. I won't yell.
She makes it sound when she's happy.
Welcome to the family.